Hello, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Raw Game Marketing YouTube channel. First of all, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial or legal advisor, and I'm just gonna start off by saying this. I know I've been making shorts lately, but I haven't made a long, but I'm gonna make a long today. But I really appreciate you guys. Continue to leave comments. Comment below if there's anything you'd like me to talk about, or if you have some updated information or any information that you would like to share with me and the rest of the Raw Game marketers, then that would be great as well. Like, subscribe, tell a friend, share this channel with as many people as you can so I can get it to the algorithm, and so people could be educated and they can learn a few things that I talk about, and you guys can share things with me and others as well. That would be great. I really appreciate that. But with that being said, we're going to get into the video today. I just want to talk about my experience with Wells Fargo. I opened up a Wells Fargo business account with them, I say back in June or July. And we all know a lot of times you want to date before you marry. You don't want to just go into a bank, open up an account, and just start asking for their things or their stuff or their products right away. But I found out that in most instances, that's the best way that you want to do things. But I have had experiences when I have went to banks and opened up an account, and I was able to get their products right away with as far as credit cards and credit limits, and I was able to get them pretty high based off of my credit score. But in most instances, you just kind of want to prove yourself to the banker, to the lender, that you know you're spending money. You want to have money coming in the account and at the account, and that's pretty much called relationship banking. You're showing them that you're friendly, that you have money flowing through in and out their account. But with Wells Fargo, like I said, I opened it up June, July, and I applied for that business account. I waited maybe like 4 months, and I applied for the platinum, their business platinum card, and I also applied for a BLOC, which is a business line of credit. And what happened to me was I went in, I talked to a special banker. I had to bring in my articles, you know, all that good stuff, your EIN number, and I think it was $1,500. I opened it up with $1,500. So I started off with $1,500, and I gave them all the necessary information that was needed. But they didn't offer me any products. They did a soft pull, or maybe no, they didn't do any pull, but they didn't offer me any products right away from opening a business account. So I just opened it up, and I wasn't doing any transactions or anything major. I just let the money in there and I let it sit. But when you open up this account, make sure you have everything together. Make sure you have the correct paperwork. Make sure you got your EIN number. Make sure you got your articles. Make sure everything is up to date. Now, I didn't use, some people use the virtual business address. I didn't use that. I just used my home address for my business. My regular telephone number, didn't have a different telephone number or nothing like that. I just pretty much used my own personal information for my business. Then after that, 4 months later, I applied for, like I said, the Platinum Business Credit Card and the BLOC. So the Platinum Business Credit Card, they required, they wanted my last year W-2 taxes, which I pretty much like getting money, credit cards and loans with no docs, but they did ask for documentation. So I did give them that last year, which my taxes was pretty low. I didn't file any millions of dollars, or the business was like, my business was like 2 years old, that I already had age, but I hadn't like really did any business with it. And my tax form that I provided to them was pretty much nothing. You know what I mean? So it was nothing really to show on there. I didn't have like a massive income gain or anything, but it took them a while. It took them like a month or two, but I was finally approved for 10,000. So they approved me for 10,000. That's kind of low from what I'm used to getting. I'm used to getting 25K or more, but they approved me for 10,000 on that. And then they denied me for the business loan. For the BLOC, the business line of credit. The reason being, they told me, is because lower amounts in the account, and they also said that they wanted me to be with them for a little bit longer. So they wanted me to have a little bit more history with them. Then I called and I spoke with the personal banker, and she said, you know, give it 30 more days or something, then I could come back and reapply. So then I called and asked, you know, were they gonna rerun the credit again? Which is yes, they did, and they were gonna rerun the credit again. I believe they ran through, they checked my Experian account out here in the Midwest. I'm in Illinois, so they checked my Experian account, and I didn't want to get any more hits, so I just decided I'd wait Wells Fargo for the BLOC. But so far, so good. I mean, the 10,000 was 0% interest for 9 months. They just recently sent me a letter saying since they took so long sending a card, that they're extending that 9 months, extra 60 days, which that makes it 11 months, which means still I have business credit now that's not gonna report to my personal credit. So if I wanted to max out that 10K, it wouldn't affect my utilization on the personal side. And I have 0% interest that I have to pay back for 11 months now. So you have to have something to do with the money. If not, just be disciplined enough to just put the card on ice or just sit it there. But if you have to make any purchases, you know, use the card and get reward for the purchases that you make. So when you guys are going out getting these cards, get cards with reward that you're gonna get something for spending your money. So that's the card that I end up getting with them. That's the Wells Fargo Platinum Business Card. And like I said, they gave me 10K, 11 months, no interest, which is great. I've been using the card so I can obtain reward points. And later on, I'll do another video and I'll just wait to reapply for that BLOC, because now I have had money flowing through there on a regular basis, like 200, 300, 500. So I got a little bit of money flowing through there. So next time when I do apply for the BLOC, then I should be good. But I'll do a video and let you guys know how much they approved me for on the BLOC with Wells Fargo. But a lot of people don't like Wells Fargo. I don't know why, but they're okay. They're pretty much okay. I'm just getting to learn them and getting to know them right now, but that's what happened to me. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If it's anything you want me to talk about, if I left something out, leave it in the comments. I will reply to you as soon as I possibly can, and I'll do a video as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching so much, and have a great one.